In this video, we will be demonstrating how to use our dual-purpose products, which are made with a special ultra-cooling fabric, which enhances the natural process of evaporation to provide instant cooling relief when the fabric is wet, or quickly wick away sweat when the fabric is dry. All of our dual-purpose products are machine washable, reusable, and chemical-free, made with the special bird's eye fabric weave that holds onto water and allows for evaporation to cool the fabric. Our fabric always stays soft, whether wet or dry, unlike the products of our competitors. Our dual-purpose products include our Deluxe and Economy cooling towels, our 9 different headband styles, triangle and square bandanas, and our 4 tubular headwear styles. You can easily locate all of our dual-purpose products by looking for this icon on our promotional products website, our Sage and ASI profiles, as well as in our catalog. All dual-purpose products are hydrated in the same way, and for this demonstration we will be hydrating our Deluxe cooling towel. When hydrating, the water can be any temperature, cold, warm, or hot, it does not matter. You will always get the same instant cooling results. In this demonstration, we will showcase this by using hot water at a temperature of 120 degrees, and with the use of a thermal imaging camera, you will see just how quick this cooling towel drops from 120 degrees, bright orange, all the way down to 68 degrees, cold and purple. The process is simple. You soak, wring, and wave. Step 1. Soak. Get the cooling towel completely soaked, making sure that you're saturating all of the fabric. Step 2. Wring. Wring out all of the excess water so that the fabric is damp but not dripping. Step 3. Wave. Wave like so, opening up the product and fanning it in the air. Wave 7 to 10 times to activate the fabric's cooling technology. As you can see, in this very short amount of time, the dual-purpose fabric has dropped from 120 degrees all the way down to 68 degrees. To reactivate, repeat this simple process. Staying cool and fresh all summer long is that easy with dual-purpose products. Get yours today with 100% fully customizable designs.